What's up, BNA gang? It's your boy Breezy, guys. I'm back with another video, guys. This another Wish USA Bus 5 video. You feel what I'm saying? Today we have Rain in Sorrow. You feel what I'm saying? Dysth3mia live performance on Wish USA Bus, guys. That was down in the comments. Easy Meal sister, apparently. So, I gotta check her out, just because, all the songs I've been listening to so far of Easy Meal have been on point, you know what I'm saying? And y'all was telling me that Rain and Sorrow know how to sing too, and I need to check her out. So that's what brings us to this video today. But guys, if y'all new to the channel, man, the subscribe button is red. Y'all want to turn it gray. Also, y'all want to turn that bell gray so y'all don't miss any uploads. You feel what I'm saying? And the ones that's out there supporting and been supporting, y'all already know what to do, man. Y'all want to give this video a thumbs up. Go down below, comment something positive, and share this video with your family and friends, guys. But y'all know how all my reaction videos go, man. We don't talk the ears off, man. We get straight into the video. We react to the videos together. So, with that being said, guys, let's get it.
2, 3, 4.
Wish 1075.
You are warning sign. Tell
Damn. I ain't gonna even lie, like, straight off the rip, bro. Her voice calm as hell, yo.
me to not get close.
Damn.
But I never read the lights.
Do y'all hear her, though? Wow. Amazing ass voice, though. Amazing voice.
75.
Sound like a little angel, you feel me?
Warning sign, telling me to not get close.
Yeah.
But I never read the lights, saying don't you overdose.
Let you overdose.
Detox of sleeping, melatonin pills.
What she say?
Don't work,
Hold on, what she say?
you overdose.
What she say?
Detox of sleeping, melatonin pills.
Hey.
Don't work. Might as well go to the doctor and ask her for a prescription pill order.
Might as well go to the doctor and ask for a prescription pill. What she say? Might as well go to the doctor.
Might as well go to the doctor and ask her for a prescription pill order. I'm older.
Wow, she got a voice though.
Tapping on this glass window.
I will say that.
Every single rule that I was supposed to follow. 3 solid voices break me out of my sanity. They know my sorrow.
Hold up.
3 solid voices break me out of my sanity. They know my sorrow. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step 4. I'm wondering what this door is for. We're breaking out of our one world. Just let me out, I'm gonna curl. Voices are making me mix reality. Fantasy is my mental stability. One more problem to honesty.
Hey, what's crazy? The audio is on point though, bro. Like, that shit is on 10 like a motherfucker, bro. Like, what the
Voices
hell,
are
bro?
making me mix reality.
This shit fire though.
Is my mental stability. One more problem to
I was not expecting this. I'm not even gonna lie. Hold up, man. Damn. Wow.
Losing my mind came up with too precise.
Wish exclusive.
Yo, and then no bullshit, bro. It look like she literally just playing. Like it look like she not even serious with it, yo. You know what I'm saying? This shit is amazing as hell. Like she got an angel voice, bro. Like, bro, that shit is crazy, bro. How people can, you know what I'm saying? That shit is crazy how people can literally hit notes and shit like that, bro. She's straight a blessing. Like, no doubt about it, bro.
Loved ones came up with tonight. The key was kicked inside the locked door. Now we can't go in there anymore. I'm here falling apart into pieces, wondering if anyone else ever feels this. Trying to convince my brain it's a lie that I actually don't really wanna die, but it's actually getting tiring to think of next morning. Once
Hey, she hard though, bro. Yo, she hard.
I'm here falling
she
apart
hard.
into pieces, wondering if anyone else ever feels this. Trying to convince my brain it's a lie that I actually don't really wanna die, but it's actually getting tiring to think of next morning. One step, two step, three step, four. I'm wondering what this door is for. We're breaking out of our own world. Just let me out, I'm gonna hurl. Voices are making me mix reality. Fantasy is my mental stability. On my problem to honesty.
Damn, bro. Hey, her hook on point too though. Like, damn, bro. She doing her thing though. Shout out to Rain and Sorrow. You feel me? Yeah, definitely, man. She like, damn, this shit crazy. Shout out to RS, man.
You take everything we say and make it seem like we're two-faced, but all you're doing is making our thoughts a reality. I know that I'm not okay, but it's not like I'm gonna tell anyway. My brain is a maze of suicidal thoughts and cruel sights. 4 step, 3 step, 2 step, 1. I'm waiting till the sun's. We can all just watch and learn as the world collapses in and burns. Dissipating, all degrading thoughts while I'm disintegrating. No thoughts head empty is a way to die without feeling a thing.
1075.
Wow. Shout out to her, man. Like, that ass, man. She really did her thing. Straight up, man. The live, man, she got a voice on her, bro. Like, this, she's literally a blessing, yo. Yeah. Damn, this shit, you know, I wasn't expecting this, like, whatsoever, at all, you know. But damn, she definitely got a voice on her, and you know what I'm saying? She young as fuck, so she still got, you know what I'm saying? Like, she still can learn. But her voice is like, man, like an angel. Like, that shit is just crazy, man. And it's her, like, y'all know what I'm saying? Like, she can control the fuck out her voice, though. Like, that shit is leveled, like, just right. And that, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's hard to do that shit. And for people that's out there that can do that, keep your voice level, you know what I'm saying? Like, props to you for real, for real, for real. But guys, y'all let me know down below what y'all think of this video, you feel me? Let me know any other video suggestions down below. Yeah, like I was saying, if y'all been watching my channel and not subscribed, it's not too late to subscribe. All you gotta do, if the subscribe button red, you want to turn it gray. You feel me? You want to turn that bell gray also, so you don't miss any videos. And the ones out there supporting me, y'all already know what to do, man. Y'all want to give this video a thumbs up. Go down below. comment something positive, guys, and share this video with your family and friends. But yeah, man, I'm gonna let y'all go, man. I'm gonna see you on the next video. But don't forget to comment down below, guys. We out. I'm gonna see you on the next video.